Hi guys, my name is Stephanie. So in this video I'll be sharing with you guys how I made this wrist pin holder. It's really comfortable, not too tight and not too loose, with this scrap fabric step by step. So please keep watching till the end. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be folding this scrap fabric. I'm going to be folding the fabric like this into two, and then I folded it again into two again, making it to be 4 times because I'll be cutting a round circle. So the circle is actually going to be small, so I'm going to be placing my tape at the tip like that, and then I'll mark 1.5 inch down. So if you want it to be a bit bigger, you can make it 2 inches, but I wanted it to be 1.5, so I went ahead to mark 1.5. So I'm going to continue placing it like that, and then I will take it round and continue marking the 1.5 inch. So guys, after marking it, I'll go ahead and connect all the points. I'll just connect all the points, and then I'll go ahead and cut it out with my scissors. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be using this piece as a template to cut the second piece. I'll just place it on the fabric like this, and then I'll go ahead and cut out the exact same shape. So I'll go ahead and sew it all the way around, and then leave a space to turn it inside out. So I'm done doing that. I'm done sewing it all the way around, and I also went there to notch it as well, to notch it all the way around. So the next thing is for me to turn it inside out. I'll just carefully turn it inside out, just the same way you see me doing in this video. So when I'm done, I'll just go and iron it. I also went there to iron it, as you can see in this one. So I'll be filling it with a foam. So this is the foam that I have. I'll go ahead and divide the foam into small pieces so that I'll be able to fix inside. I'll just divide it into small pieces and then fix it inside. So guys, I'm actually done cutting. I later on added the ones that are there because there was not enough, so I'm going to be using it as a stuffing. I'll just fix it inside, put it inside until it's really big and full inside. So this is what it looks like after I was done. So the next thing, I'm going to be closing that space with my hand needle. So I already went there to thread it, so I'm just going to sew it to close up the space. I'll just neatly push it in and then go ahead and sew it to close up the space. So guys, now that I've gotten to the end, I will just go ahead and tie it multiple times so that the thread doesn't end up losing. I'll just continue tying it like that so that it will stay in place, and then I'll go ahead and cut it out. I'll cut the thread out. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. This is how it looks like. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be working on this the one that is actually going around my wrist. So I have an elastic band. I'll be measuring my wrist. I have 7 inches. I have 7 inches right there. It's not too tight and not too loose, so I went ahead to cut a band of 7 inches, and then I have this piece of fabric that is 10 inches long. You know, the band is 7 inches, so it actually make it squeeze. So the width is 4 inches, so by the time I fold it, it's going to be less than that. Went there to sew it, and then I left a space just at the upper side, both of the sides, because I'll still be sewing it. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to be placing it. The stitch part is going to be in the middle, so I'll bring the right sides facing each other like this, and then place it right sides facing each other like this. So I'll go ahead and sew it all the way to the other side and bring it and show you. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. I went ahead to sew it So this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to be fixing the elastic inside. Used my safety pin to hook it in, and then I will take it in through that space, just the same way you see me doing. So when I take it to this other side, I'll go ahead and remove the safety pin, and then I will be crossing the elastic on each other like this. I'll go ahead and sew it on my sewing machine with multiple stitches. So guys, I'm done doing that, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to allow the elastic to go inside the fabric, and then I'll arrange it. So this space that is here, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine. I'll fold it in. I'll fold the rough part in. I'll go ahead and take it to my sewing machine and sew it. You can use your hand needle to do that if you don't want to sew it on a machine. So after doing that, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be flipping it in. That side that I actually sew is going to be the one that is going to be inside. So now we are going to be fixing the ball now. I'll place the ball on it just the same way you see, like this. And I also wanted to thread my needle as well. So I'm going to be placing it like that. And then on this piece that is going around my wrist, I'm going to be holding the thread on it just the same way you see, like this. I'll just hold it on. I'm just cutting this excess thread, and then I'll just hold it on to stay in place, and then I'll put the ball. So basically I just mark the midpoint of the ball so that I'll place it to be in the middle, to not be one side. So now I'll go ahead and attach the down part with the ball just the same way you see, like this. I'll just go ahead and attach it to be stiff, to actually not be dangling, okay, to hold on it very well. So I wanted to sew it from both sides. So after doing that, this is what it looks like. This is actually how it looks like. You see how it's really holding well. So now I'm going to be just putting the pins on it to see, and I tried it on. This is how it looks like. So I'll be putting the pins on it to show you guys. So guys, if you are someone like me who is always losing pins all the time, this is actually a better way to actually be holding your pins even when you are sewing or when you are cutting on the table. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this for yourself. So guys, this is what it looks like after I was done putting the pins on it. This is what it looks like. It's really comfortable. It's not so tight on my hand, and it's not too loose as well. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and tell me if you'll be trying this for yourself in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.